Hey दोस्तों, welcome to Bootstrap 5 tutorial series. In this series, we are going to learn fundamental and basic of Bootstrap 5. And at the end of this series, we will build an elegant, beautiful and amazing website from scratch using Bootstrap 5 framework. So let's begin. Bootstrap is the most popular front-end open source framework for building responsive mobile-first sites. It is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap is a giant collection of handy, reusable bit support written in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It includes HTML and CSS-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, models, image carousel and many things. Bootstrap gives you the ability to create responsive web designs. You may be wondering, what is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about creating a website which automatically adjusts themselves to look good on all devices, ranging from small phones to large desktops. Bootstrap 5 is the latest version of Bootstrap with improved components, faster style sheet and more responsiveness. It is focused on improving Bootstrap version 4 codebase with few major breaking changes. It has dropped jQuery for regular JavaScript and embraced more future-friendly technologies like CSS custom properties as a part of tooling. Bootstrap 5 supports the latest stable releases of all major browsers and platforms. However, Internet Explorer and old browsers are no longer supported. A basic understanding of HTML is required to start learning Bootstrap. Some familiarity of how CSS works would be helpful but is not required. Only two software is required: any text editor such as Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Atom, etc. and any browser such as Firefox, Brave, Opera, Edge, etc. You can choose any browser and editor. However, always use latest version of these both. Advantage of using Bootstrap: anybody with just basic knowledge of HTML and CSS can start using Bootstrap. Bootstrap responsive CSS adjusts to phone, tablet and desktops. In Bootstrap, mobile-first styles are a part of core framework. Bootstrap offers a lot of resources on their official website, and some other websites also offer certain resources that would ease the front-end development process. Bootstrap was created at Twitter in May 2010 by Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton. As of now, there are more than 150 contributors who are directly contributing in Bootstrap project. Prior to being open source framework, Bootstrap was known as a Twitter blueprint. It has more than 20 releases, including two major rewrites, namely version 2 and version 3. As of today, current stable version is 5.1.1. In future, there will be more minor and patch releases of version 5. However, this tutorial will be useful for any releases of version 5. Hope you enjoyed the introduction video and curious to learn more about Bootstrap. In next video, we will see how to get started with Bootstrap. Kindly like this video and share it with your friends so that it reaches more and more people. And thanks for watching.